Welcome to Instagram Marketing Secrets. This course is your ticket to unlocking the power of Instagram as a dynamic marketing platform to grow your brand, engage your audience, and drive results with over 1 billion active users. Instagram offers a unique opportunity for businesses to connect with their target audience, showcase their products or services, and build a loyal following. In this course, you will discover the insider secrets and strategies for leveraging Instagram to its fullest potential. From optimizing your profile and creating compelling content to mastering Instagram stories and utilizing influencer partnerships, you will learn how to create a strong presence on the platform and drive meaningful engagement with your audience. Whether you are a seasoned marketer looking to enhance your Instagram strategy or a beginner eager to tap into the power of visual marketing, Instagram Marketing Secrets will equip you with the knowledge and tools to make a significant impact on your brand's online presence and growth. Get ready to dive into the world of Instagram marketing and uncover the secrets to effectively leveraging this popular platform to achieve your business goals. Let's elevate your Instagram game and unlock the secrets to successful marketing on this visual-centric platform.